nahirapang mag-move on kay Mahal, ang dami naming pinagdaanan. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika. Mahirap pang mag-move on ang awards-winning charity blogger at aktor na si Megs Malino sa pagkawala ni Mahal sa kanyang buhay. Iyan ang ni-reveal ni Megs Malino nang matanong tungkol sa past nila ni Mahal at kung matagal ba siyang naka-recover sa pagiging heartbroken mula nang magically sila ng ex-girlfriend. Ayon sa binata, ready na raw siya maghanap ng babaeng may palit kay Mahal dahil wala na raw siyang issue. Pero parang may pag-alinlangan parent si Megs sa kanyang mga desisyon. Unang paglilinaw ni Megs Malino. Hindi niya iniiwasan issue tungkol sa kanila ni Mahal. Pero ngayon talaga parang dami naglabasang haka-haka. Yeah, we have no problem. Parang for me naman. Pero wala pa kaming instance na nagkita, ang pahayag ni Megs Malino. Not that I'm avoiding or anything. Hindi lang pa nagkakataon. Sabi ko nga, it's a small industry. But you can be focused on different things talaga. The world of events and all that, as nice as that is, parang my priority is more in the world of showbiz charity work and my family. Therefore, I am focused on creating memories with my family charity work and to all my fans with you guys, ang paglilinaw ni Megs Malino. At nang tanungin kung nahirapan ba siyang mag-move on. I think it was definitely difficult. I'm not going to lie. Kasi, syempre, if you remember, sobrang ano siya, it was so high profile, yung relationship na yun. At the same time, parang ang dami naming pinagdaanan din together. But, sabi ko nga, diba? Like what I said in my last interview, sabi ko, it was the hardest thing also. Syempre, it was the hardest thing. Very difficult, but it was necessary. Parang na-realize ko in that process na pinagdaanan ko, it's bigger than her. It's more me. Parang buhay ko na ito diba? So parang, and no one's coming here to save me. I have to save myself. Diba? Patuloy na chika ng aktor. Dagdag pa niya, I'm a 38-year-old man, ako lang gagawa nito. But in that process, I realized, parang, diba, a year after it, kunwari ngayon, I'm grateful na pinagdaanan ko yun because it really pushed me. It left me in a position where failure was not an option. There was not a lot to lose anymore. Parang hirap ng sitwasyon na yun. Pandemic. Inubos ka ng pandemic. Of course, staying loyal to Mahal comes with a price. You can't really take, you know. Limitado lang mga pwede mong gawin. So it's hard, di ba? Syempre, like, this got frozen because, syempre, the love are not making money. So, ang hirap, sobrang hirap ng sitwasyon na yun. It was very hard, pagbabahagi pa ni Megs Malino. But, again, it was necessary. And now, when I look back at it, I'm happy I went through it. I'm happy I came out of it alive. I'm a better person. But more importantly, I'm humbled because of it. Parang, mas nare-realize ko na, you know, everything can be taken away from you. The only thing I can really do. The only thing I can really fall in love with. The only thing I can invest in is my artistry, my craft, sipa ni Megs Malino. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika.